All right, with any luck, this will be the final test ride. The bike seems ready to go. I'm just going to take it around the local neighborhood to see how it feels and hopefully sign it off. So this is a cold start. The bike hadn't been started today. I tickled it, and let's see how it goes. Let's see if it embarrasses me. That's the one. That's a 2. Wonder if I have a fuse in it. Yep, the same 2. Oh, that's pretty good for being cold start. Come on, big baby. Oh. Alright, stop the video. I cleaned the pilot jet. They kicked right over. I don't know. Sounds great. Seems like pilot jets are the bane of my existence. But it sounds really good now. I'm going to dress up and take it for a ride. Okay, that was a very good test ride. I'm not sure, but I think I feel the front brake dragging a bit. So I'm going to check out that cable again and the linkage again, because I like it to snap back when I let go, not just sort of meander back. Check that out a little bit more. I almost got hit again. The stop signs in my neighborhood, they say stop, and then in parentheses underneath they say unless you don't want to, then go ahead. And it's a closed neighborhood. I go down the end of the block, I go up around the hill, make a couple circles, come back down. There's about 3 stop signs. People run them all the time. So it's really careful. They're really dangerous. So if you've ever wondered why I dress up, it's because of the idiots who live in my neighborhood. So I'm going to take this in and double check the front brake linkage, make sure it's really loose. I can feel it right now. Come on over here and show this video. You can zip in. Can you zoom in on that in this direction? See how it's not going back? It's sort of hanging right there. I don't like that. So I'm gonna do something about that. So that's all I'm gonna work on. Other than that, the bike ran like a top. And the starting problem, once I cleaned that pilot jet, started right up. And that is all. All right, I got good front brake lever action now. Snaps all the way back. Lubricated the handle, lubricated the pivot, lubricated the cable all the way down, lubricated all of the pivot points down here. I'll show you this action now. And here's the action of the brake assembly on the front wheel. Good release, no drag, good stopping. Everything's good. Everything's good. Looks really good. Okay, so I'm perfectly happy with the front wheel brakes now, and I think we can call the bike done.